Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing another Disney Princess Lookbook. If you guys have been watching my videos throughout the month of May, you have seen me talk about it. All my tutorials have been princess related, and I've taken like a different princess from kind of every era almost and thrown them into this video. So it is a Disney bounding lookbook. The parks are open. Both parks are open. People are going out. You need cute outfits. If you're a Disney person and you want to look like your favorite Disney character, but in a really subtle way, this is how you do it. This is the last look you guys are going to see, and honestly, it's my favorite. I'm real obsessed. So you guys will see this look at the end. But if you guys want to check out the tutorials that go with the makeup looks, they will be linked in this video, and you can check them out. So with that being said, let's get into the lookbook. Okay, so for this outfit, it is really simple. I wanted it to just kind of mimic the colors mostly that she wears, but also kind of her silhouette. So she wears a big skirt that's kind of nipped in at the waist and then has like this flowy kind of ruffle on the top. So I went with my red peasant shirt that I got from Shein. It is a little tight in the arms, so please excuse my lack of motion, but for this video, it's perfect. So it has the flowy arms, it's very light and kind of poofy with the elastic at the top. And then it ties in the back so it's open, so you can kind of control the size. But then I wanted to, like I said, mimic the silhouette, so I went with my high-waisted, really flowy pants. These are like slit at the ankle, so they have a little bit of movement, but they also have pockets, which we love. But the flowers, I thought, brought in a nice bit of the gold and kind of oranges that are in her color palette. And then for accessories, I just did my tank necklace, of course, because I always wear this. But then I did these hair clips that are gold and yellow, with kind of like a flowery marble pattern on either side of my head, because she does wear her hair up. But those are from Shein as well. And the pants are from CVS. Right, so outfit number 2 is Cinderella. If you guys saw it in the makeup tutorial, then you saw my look is very blue, very white, but I put my stripy dress that you guys have seen before, I just put it underneath this bodysuit that I just tucked the little like snappy parts up, because this has this really cute belt kind of corseted detail, and it made me think of kind of what her peasant outfit looks like in the beginning of the movie when she's scrubbing the floor. And then the stripy dress is more so like her ball gown and her wedding dress colors. So I went with this, so it's kind of a mix of both. And then I have this lacy headband, which made me think of her little bandana that she has covering her hair in the beginning as well. And then obviously I'm wearing a blonde wig that is kind of similar to her color. But this one I think is really nice because it's obviously 2 pieces that I use a lot, kind of reworked, but it's really light and airy and breezy, and I feel like you could definitely wear this to the park, especially on like a dapper day or something, and still be comfortable. The dress is plenty long enough to get in and out of rides, and you can just wear like some little shorts underneath just to be extra safe. But yeah, this is the Cinderella outfit. So this is look number 3, I think, that we're on, and this is the Warrior Mulan look. So I just took this gray long sleeve t-shirt that I've had, tucked it into these gray jeans that have a little bit of distressing. They're from Old Navy, they're super high-waisted, and then put this green shirt from Shein over top that you guys probably saw in my Merida Disney bound. And the back laces up like this. So it's got a little bit of detailing to it. And then for the hair, I just did my hair in a messy bun and then threw this bow in it. So the bow kind of ties in the tan tones, but then this is just kind of mirroring the layering of her armor, the kind of general look with the distressed jeans that look kind of worn in, like they've been worn a lot in battle, I guess. But yeah, this is the Mulan look. I think we're on outfit, what, number 4, 5? So this is my Jane look from Tarzan. Let me back up so you guys can see it better. It is this cheetah print kind of faux wrap skirt. It just layers over each other really nicely. And I think it gives it a nice silhouette and it's a little more interesting. Obviously it's cheetah to be like the leopard that attacks Tarzan that he kills. But this is supposed to be modeled after Jane swinging through the cheese look, and she has kind of like a sarong wrap skirt on. But then this bodysuit is also from Shein, and it has, let me get closer, this really pretty like detailing over the top, and it comes up around the neck, so I thought this would be pretty, and I just put a little bralette underneath it to add some extra lace detail in the back and stuff, because this is pretty sheer. And then accessories, these earrings are from Shein, and they are hoops with little purple butterflies in them. And then for my hair, I'm gonna bend down so you guys can see, I just have it all pulled back in a bun, and then I put this scrunchie on that has like a little kind of bow detail. I think it's down here, and it's yellow and white to mimic her yellow dress that you see in the beginning when she's quite proper. So that is it for this look. Let's move on to the next one. So the last outfit, if you guys can see, let me just adjust the shorts, is this pink top from Shein, which I put over top of a romper. So it has all these little pearls on it, and then if you look at the back, it is open and ties. So there's just a little pearl that holds it closed, and then you tie it however you want. And then the bottoms, like I said, are a romper. They are from Forever 21. I got them a while ago. This is really sheer, so if you can see, I have black shorts, like little shorts underneath this, because it is see-through if you don't wear something underneath it. But it's just this really flowy shorts. Hopefully you guys can see. They have a cute little hem and details on them, and there are pockets. I mean, these are pretty short even for me. Like, I don't know that I would wear these to the park. They might tell you you gotta put some different pants on, but they give you vouchers for that, so do it and then get free clothes. But yeah, this, I just wanted it to be flowy and kind of fit the vibe of when the movie came out, because I think it either came out in the 50s or 60s, but I just wanted to mimic that kind of like mod style. And then the top here, or on the headband, it is faux hair, so it's braided and black hair, but it matches her black headband in the movie. So that's it. This is the last outfit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this lookbook. If you want to see other lookbooks I've done previously in the same style with Disney looks, let me know. I will have them linked anyway. My wig is caught on my lashes. I will have them linked, and let me know if you want to see more. I do have another list of characters that I can do if you guys want to see it. And yeah, that's about it, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.